Hello friends! Welcome to another Magical House video. Today we have a super fun and exciting drawing for you. We're going to draw a beautiful hen and her adorable little chick. Let's start by giving our hen some big cute eyes. Then draw her beak, the wattle, the little part under her beak, and the crest, the red part on top of her head. Doesn't she already look fancy and cute? Next, we'll draw her soft, round body. Let's add her wings, some tail feathers, and a few little lines to make her look extra fluffy. Now she needs legs to stand on, so we'll draw those too. And maybe a little bit of dirt because hens love to scratch around. Of course, she needs her tiny chick. We'll draw a small circle for its head, give it 2 tiny eyes, a little beak, and a fluffy round body. The chick also needs legs and wings to complete its adorable look. Now comes the best part, coloring. We'll use yellow for the chick's body and part of the hen's beak. Orange for their legs and the chick's beak. To make them extra cute, we'll use pink to give them rosy cheeks. The grass under them will be green, and for the hen, we'll color her wattle, crest, and tail a bright red. And here's where our imagination comes in. We're going to color the hen's body blue. Chickens aren't usually blue, but that's the magic of drawing. You can make them look however you like. And I think this blue hen looks so special and magical. And we're all done. Look at our beautiful hen and her sweet little chick. Aren't they amazing? I love drawing them, and I hope you did too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more magical drawings, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends!